When emergencies happen, they don't wait for the morning. That's why we're here. Regain your weekends and take back your nights. No more constant stress due to never-ending alerts. We make your fleet's safety our priority. Our 24/7 multilingual team keeps your fleet safe and compliant. We monitor, alert, and adapt to your protocols so you can focus on what matters the most. With truck traffic control, you can rest easy, knowing we're keeping your business moving, day and night. Contact us today to learn more about what our safety service can do for you.